Hey, ma'am, throw your car in park for me, okay? Will you step out and talk to me, please? I'm Officer Cornelison.
I paid for my vape.
Okay, let's just let's talk about it. Okay, we'll talk about it over here. Okay, will you step out and open the door? Okay, so first off, what's your name, ma'am?
Karen.
What's your last name, Miss Karen? Karen. Miss Karen, can you step back out for me, hon?
He did not give me my vape.
Okay. Do you have the vape that she?
Yeah, she have it in the car.
Where?
Okay.
I don't know, St. Robert here from the rest.
What kind of vape was it, Miss Karen?
Strawberry.
Strawberry pink guava, I think so.
Here's what we're gonna do. Instead of having you messing around, just looking through the car, let me get you to step out, okay?
It's not in here.
That's okay. Just let me get you to step out. Okay, so you're saying that you didn't take it.
I didn't.
Okay, but you said you paid for it? Do you have your receipt where you paid for it?
She didn't pay for it, and she just wanna go without paying. And I stopped her to
just
pay,
paid.
make a pay or return me back.
So his system is saying that.
All right, let me.
Oh, hold on, Miss Karen. Hold on a second.
I'll pay again.
So do you have it or do you not have it? You don't have to look, but
I don't see it.
okay. So you didn't walk out with
I will pay
it?
again for it. All
She
right.
walked out with her own because we got a video too, and I was walking, follow her.
Okay. If she gives it back or if she pays again,
Yeah, it's
are you
okay.
guys gonna press charges?
No.
Okay. All right, Miss Karen. So if she pays, you're not gonna press charges?
No. It's okay.
Good. Miss Karen, step into the store, okay?
Sure.
Yeah, she's gonna pay.
See one more. Hold up, £5.
Shit. Can I have a cigarette? Vapes?
You already had it. Yeah, yeah.
No, I don't have it.
Have you walked out with it?
I don't have it in my car.
Okay.
You guys
So
talk.
let's go this way,
All
okay?
right.
Here's how we'll run into this situation. Miss Karen, do you mind, since they're saying that you walked out with it and they're saying that they have video of you walking out with it, do you mind if I look in your passenger compartment? Okay. So I'm gonna hand you this. I'm gonna have you step with this officer and stand right here. Miss Karen, hey. Oh, hold on. Don't get back in the car. I'm gonna have you stand with this officer, okay? I'm gonna search in your passenger compartment for the vape. We'll see if we find it, okay? So just hang out with this officer. Oh, yeah.
Why are you guys so mean? Why are you guys so mean?
What do you mean?
Why are you so mean? You're like, step up here. Like, okay.
Because you-
What's he done?
Yeah, me and brother got into it. I gotta go get him out.
And I was speaking loud enough so you could hear me. Because I had asked you another time, hey, come over here. And you kept walking to your car. And when you keep walking to your car, then I'm going to raise my voice and tell you. I'm 30 years old.
So are you proud of what you do?
Absolutely.
Good. I'm glad.
Not yet, Miss Karen.
I did not get the vape.
I'm just gonna look in here, okay? Then we'll go in and we'll try to figure out a solution. There you go.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much. I appreciate your help.
So here's the thing. How much wine have you had today?
Not much, but
Not much?
no.
How much is not much?
I've had a glass.
You've had a glass? Okay. Have you taken anything else?
No.
Okay, because what I'm observing is that you're slurring your words, you're very unsteady on your speech, and you almost rear-ended somebody when you were trying to pull out.
Okay.
So When you say a
I'm
glass,
a mile down the road.
I understand that, ma'am, but you still can't drive intoxicated, okay? Which is what I'm getting to. You understand? How much is a glass to you? Like
4 ounces.
4 ounces? Okay. What kind of medication do you take?
I don't take any.
No medication? Or do you take anything else that would cause you to be a little unsteady?
No.
Nothing like that? Okay. So here's the thing. If that's the case, that's fine. Would you mind if I check your eyes just to make sure that you are safe to drive before I let you pull out of here?
Of course.
Okay. All right. Do you have any type of head conditions or anything else like that
No.
would impair you from following my finger?
No.
Nothing like that? Do you have any injuries with your balance, hips, anything like that?
No.
Okay. What we're going to do, let's get you right over here, and then I'm just going to check you, make sure you're good, okay? We're just going to walk right over here. All right. What we're going to do, I'm going to put my finger in front of your face, okay? I just want you to follow my finger with your eyes and eyes only. Do you understand that? Okay, just go ahead and drop that hand for me. Just kind of relax, stand straight, okay? All right, you understand the instructions? Eyes and eyes only. All right, here's my finger. See it? Okay. All right, you can blink.
Oh, thank you.
We got a couple more rounds of that, okay?
All right.
Just move your eyes and eyes only, okay? Don't move your head.
Okay. It's hard not to move my head.
Just move your eyes.
Okay.
We'll try that. All right. Just move your eyes, okay? Just follow. Okay. Just follow with your eyes, okay? Don't move your head. Okay, next thing we're going to do, you said that you don't have any type of like balance issues or anything else like that would prevent you from walking. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is we're going to come right over here, and I want you to stand just like you are on this line, okay? I want you to stand facing me, all right? And then I want you to keep your hands on by side, okay? I want you to put your left foot on the line, and then I want you to put your right foot in front of your left foot, just like that. So return back to where I had you, okay? I'm gonna get you into a starting position, and I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to begin, okay? So get right back on the line where you were. All right, left foot on the line, just like you have it. Right foot in front of the left foot. In a heel to toe fashion, just like I'm showing you. Can you do that?
No, I can't do it.
Do you have balance? Any injuries?
I do have,
Hold on, Miss Karen. Miss Karen.
I'm gonna get in the
Okay.
car.
That's not what we're gonna do, okay?
Change behind the back.
No, you're not gonna do that.
That's Miss Karen. Please don't, okay? Let's not do that.
Put her in here.
Let's not do that.
Can you go down me, please?
No, ma'am, we cannot, okay? Because you were driving under the influence.
We're under arrest.
6, that's Trump 295, signal 1. Miss Karen.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Can I drive home?
No, you cannot drive home.
I'm driving home.
No, you're not, ma'am. You are way too intoxicated to drive home.
I'm not.
Yes, ma'am, you are. You can't even walk in a straight line. Got it, John.
That's hurting very badly.
Okay, well, just hold on, okay?
Can you please let me out of it?
No, ma'am. Because you have driven here very intoxicated, okay? Go ahead and do this.
Can you please let go?
No, ma'am.
I'm driving home, y'all.
No, you're not, ma'am. Okay, so the state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of the state. Upon your submission, the state administers chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to
refusing it.
drive upon the highways of the state will be suspended for a minimum period of
I'm
1 year.
refusing it.
So you're not even
No,
letting me
I'm
finish?
driving home.
Well, okay.
Let me unhook me.
All right, you have a right to remain silent. Anything
Yep.
you say can be used against you in a court of
Unhook
law.
me.
You have a right to an attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish, okay? She slivered right under those.
Put your,
Let me the fuck go.
no, you are under arrest.
I'm not. I'm
Yeah, you
refusing
are.
arrest.
Well, if you keep refusing arrest, then
You're gonna get
we're just gonna have to go back and forth with you, and then that's gonna cause you an
But
even
I
bigger
am.
headache.
I'm refusing arrest.
You can't do that, ma'am.
I am doing that.
It's okay. These aren't going.
I'm refusing arrest. Let me go.
You're
I'm
under arrest.
refusing arrest.
You can't refuse arrest,
I
ma'am.
can.
No, you can't.
I
Unfortunately.
can refuse
you
arrest. Please let go.
No. Now you're going to jail for DUI and obstruction. That was really dumb.
You're killing
Well,
me.
because you just slipped out of my handcuffs, so now I gotta
Let
get them
me
tied on
go.
you. No. Walk this way. Please don't make me carry you. I really don't want to do that.
Can I get my vape and my keys?
I will get everything for you, okay?
I refused arrest. Why are you still
Because
arresting me?
you can't refuse arrest, ma'am, okay? Just like you can't drive intoxicated and you can't slip out of handcuffs. We'll get your keys and everything,
Please
okay?
take them off.
No, ma'am, that's not happening. And if you slip out of them again, then it's not going to be good, okay? We got her keys and everything.
Do you want to tow it?
Yeah, it's not. It can't sit right there. So, will you go ahead and, hey John, since I can't leave her, will you also search the vehicle for intoxicants for me? Thank you.
I need to go back.
Okay, we'll get you to the bathroom. Okay.
Can you please unrest me? I'm not going anywhere.
No, ma'am.
I can promise you that.
No, ma'am. We can't do that.
Did you get my keys and everything?
He's getting them right now.
Please unarrest me. Like, I'm not going anywhere.
No, ma'am. Just like you can't do everything that you do. Okay.
Do you want her purse or anything?
Yeah, just go ahead and grab it.
Please just let me go home.
No, ma'am. I can't. Okay.
Why can't you let me go home? Why can't you let me go home?
Because, ma'am, right now you're under arrest for DUI. Okay. I can't let you go.
Give me the vape, please.
Your vape's in your purse, ma'am. You'll get it when you get out of the jail. Okay.
Please unhook me.
6-7 Central. I'm in route 600.
Please let me go home.
No, ma'am. I can't do that.
I'm hurt so bad. You're injuring me.
No, ma'am. You're not getting injured.
There's charges. But you're hurting me. This hurts so much. I wish you would fucking let me unleash me. It hurts so much. I'm hurting. You're injuring me. Oh, please, but I've got to blow my nose.
Okay, we can take care of that at the jail.
You don't care if I have to blow my nose?
I just can't fix that right now, ma'am.
You're gonna have to.
Well, I'm not going to. They can fix it at the jail.
Take me the fuck home. I'm gonna report you for abuse for handcuffing me like this. I've asked you several times to release me and you have not.
Because you're under
So I'm
arrest.
reporting you.
Okay.
Fuck. Have my window down.
Okay.
I don't want it down.
You don't want it down?
Please turn on the air You're back here.
Ma'am, the air's on. I don't have a separate air system for the back, but it is on, I promise.